very simple makeup for Indian wear suit, like for everyday makeup for your Indian wear suit, and it will be very simple, natural look, but yet elegant look. So let's move on with me. Come on. So first I'm going to take this Kiss Beauty 24K with pure gold primer. It's very nice and lovely bottle. You can see they have the gold flake inside. It's in gel base. So now I'm going to take my sponge, and I'm going to use this Monifleur facial spray mineral water spray. So I'm going to spray this all over to make it wet. I'm going to make it damp. Okay. And now I'm going to take this Huda Beauty foundation. A medium coverage, but it still hides the red blemish of my skin, of my pimple. Not the full coverage, but still it's okay for everyday use. So take a little bit more of the foundation and dab it all over your face. So I'm done with foundation. It's very natural look. It's like I have not done anything. Okay. So now I'll move on to my eyes. But I was thinking that I need to put some what do you say, concealer on my eyelid to get the good color out, and just leave it like that. I'm taking this Kiss Beauty highlight and contour palette. This one make your color pop out good and have good pigmented on your eyes. So I'll be taking this. And now today I'm going to take my Huda Beauty palette. This one is the Rose Gold edition. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa shade, this one. I'm going to take only one color because I want it to be look like a little natural look. I know I forgot something. Wait a second. That's why my face is looking like oily. I forget to do this. So I'm going to take this Laura Mercier loose powder and press it all over my face before I do the eyes again. Don't brush the powder on the highlight which you have put on your eyes, because it will not give you that pigmented then. Okay, So now let's move on to the eyes again. I'm taking that cocoa shade and then brushing all over my eyes. Try to keep it little bit light. There you go. And on the other eyes. Today will be very simple. So you see, you have got it all over your eyelid and that is done. Just use your finger to dab it, to clean it. Use my other brush to blend it all out so it doesn't have any harsh line. That's done. And now today I'm take this blue mascara. I think I put eyeliner first. Okay. Today I won't apply my underwater line. I will apply only my eyeliner. Let's make it sleek line. I'm taking this L'Oreal Le Kohl by Superline. Superline. Yeah. This will be very interesting makeup look. There you go. So now I will take my blue mascara and apply my I hope you can see a little bit blue color coming up. Yeah, now I think you can see. And then do it on upper. Try to look down a little bit. This mascara is very pigmented, so you don't have to put a lot of it. Just little will do. As you can see, when I move my face, you can see the blue shine. I mean blue color. It's very simple look, but yet you look good in this, and it won't look that simple. I hope you can see. And then today I want it a natural color, so I'll be taking this Essence Silky Touch blush with the shade Baby Doll, and I will apply very little of it because it's very natural color. So just a little of it. That's it. As I told you, very little. So that's it. Just give a little bit smile. That's it. if you want to go for highlight, you can do that, but don't take any whitish color. Try to use the natural color like golden color or the skin color type highlight. I hope you understand what I mean. Like something like this tone, you know, or like golden shade. Today I'm taking this Unicorn vs Mermaid Tooth vs Nail. This has very beautiful color. I ordered this from online and it's very beautiful and very pigmented. So I'm going to use this Vega fan brush and I'm taking this golden shade, just a little. I hope you can see a little shine here, just very little. See how pigmented it is. You can use it as your eyeshadow too. See? Very little I need. Little bit on my nose, little bit on my cupid bow, and little on my forehead. That's it. Now to the lips. Today I want my lips to be little like the natural color, so I'll be taking the brown shade and I'm taking Wet n Wild in the shade Sandstorm. So it'll be like brown tone, nude brown tone. So let's move on. Okay. So we get all the face with the natural look. Very simple yet very cute look. And now I'm going to put on my bindi. I will be taking the blue color as I have the blue salwar. Today I'm in Indian suit. So yes, I like small bindis. I don't like the big one. So yeah, something like that. So hope you like this look. It's very simple, very easy look. I hope you like it and try it at home. If you have tried this look, please let me know how you like it and how you feel about this look. So I hope you enjoy, and please watch my video and give me like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can watch my channel in Facebook too, and I have my channel in Instagram too. So please go watch it and let me know how you like this look. Comment me below so that I can create more new look for you. If you want to see anything review of my makeup or anything which you have seen before while I'm doing my makeup, you can ask me to do the review of that. So I hope you like this look and take care. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.